Hi, welcome back, Sound Factory family. Today we're going to be testing out to see if white glue can make a jiggly slime. I always wanted to know if it would work, but we're just going to test it out. Right now I have my white glue in here. So now we're just going to add the food coloring. I'm going to choose blue. Okay, or not that one. That should be a good one. Then we have to mix this in. I think we'll add more in here. Now that should be enough. Yes, I wanted a darker blue, and this is what I'm going to do. Okay, now we're going to add the water. Mix, mix, mix. Now this, I see that you're going to probably have to like mix very, very well, because you can definitely see that it is not binding at all. But we're just going to keep on mixing until we get a good consistency. Add just a little bit more water, because I really am like, I don't know if it's gonna actually like work out, so keep mixing. Okay, now we are going to put the borax solution of 1 tablespoon and a cup of water, of warm water. Just gonna add this in here like that. Hopefully it does something. Oh my god, it actually is. I might be able to put more water in here. Keep mixing this. Oh my god, it's gonna be like the coolest thing. See, all I did, I used a little stronger borax of the solution. So if you like, you can use a weaker one. I just want to do a quick video of this. And this actually came out so good. You see a little bit more borax because it's actually sticky. Just a little bit sticky. That's it. Maybe we add some more in here. That should be good enough. This is so cool. Oh my god, I really didn't think this was actually gonna work. But it actually did. But I think it's a lot cooler with the clear slime because you can actually see everything in there. You know? So, let's get this stuff off my fingers. If I can add more borax on my hand. I can play with it. Let's add just a little bit in there. It's not as jiggly, but this will work for right now. And I'm actually really enjoying this. It is not as sticky. This is so cool. Oh my god. I did not think this was actually gonna work. Because I haven't seen anybody did it with the white slime. I mean, with the white glue, my bad. This is actually amazing. Oh my god. This is like the coolest thing. Now I'm gonna add some glitter in it to make it all nice and sparkly. I think I'm going to add the purple one to actually show. I'm gonna add just a little bit pink one too. There you go. This is actually, oh my god, it's so amazing. And it's so perfect. Now we're going to add some purple. I love it when I put my glitter into slime. It just looks so pretty. It's so satisfying to me. And how everything lays is so perfect. That should be enough. I wonder if you had like Jiggly slime like this if you put foam beads in it. I wonder how that would turn out to be. I think I'm actually gonna do it and test it out, you know? That'll be probably the next video. So stay tuned in that one. This is like so gorgeous. It is great for poking what, and it stretches not as much, but it's just perfect. Oh my god, so gorgeous. I wonder if I probably add more water if it make it more jiggly, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I don't want to melt this. See, so pretty. It pops, but not as loud as regular slime. Well, this is it, guys, for this video. Leave in the comments on how you like this and see if you guys will try this and see if this turns out to be like this. Now, I only add just not a lot of water either. I only add like half a water bottle. I suggest that y'all should do a little stronger borax just to make it go faster. We're gonna be sitting here mixing it over and over and over. But overall, I really like this. Oh my god. I didn't think it would come out so perfect and not so sticky. Like, oh my god. I can actually pick this up and play with that. Look at that. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. So cool. Well, this is the end of the video, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Also, leave a nice comment down below. And just join the family of Slime Factory family, you know? We'll love to see you down there. Well, bye guys. See you in the next video.